Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on INFINIX Note 40. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy and scroll down, and now click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password, and here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. And now your account should be deleted. So now let's open Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account and enter your email address. Then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. Then click on more and accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered and parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.